Good morning, students. This is our fourth online lecture on the topic alcohols, phenols, and ethers. In the last lecture, we have studied some rules and examples of the IUPAC name system for the alcohols. By that rule, as you know, you need to select the longest carbon chain first. This is the first one as a parent alkane. Secondly, you need to replace ending E from the name of the alkane by OL. Suppose ethane, it becomes ethanol. Now, next rule is that if branching is present, you have to give the numbering, proper numbering, and the numbering is given from the end which is nearer to the carbon atom which is attached to the hydroxyl. So, these are some basic rules that we have already discussed in the last lecture. Now, next we have completed 25 examples. Now, we shall start from the example number 26. Structures are somewhat similar to the previous one. Now, see the example number 26. How many carbons are there? One, two, three, four. This is the parent alkane chain. And to the third number carbon atom, there is methyl group is there. It becomes 3-methyl butan 1-OL. Name of the compound is 3-methyl butan 1-OL. Now, example number 27, you must try on your notebook. You can easily write the names. Firstly, understand example number 27, 1, 2. Here it is the branching of CH3 group. Again 3 and the 4. If you observe the example, it is different from the previous one because it contains two branchings at the two different positions. In this case, we have to mention the numbers of the branching first, then the name of the branching in the format of alkyl, and last is the parent alkane. E should be replaced by the OL. 2, 3. These two carbon atoms contains the methyl group. That's why two methyl groups are there. That's why dimethyl. And 4 carbon atoms, butan 1-OL. 2, 3, dimethyl, butan 1-OL. At the second number position, methyl group is there. At the third number position, again methyl group is there. Both are methyl groups. That's why indicated as di. Prefix used is di. 2, 3, dimethyl, butan 1-OL. Example number 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is a mistake. Here should be the CH3. To the second number position, methyl group is there. Third number position is also containing methyl group. Fourth number position is also containing the methyl group. 2, 3, 4. 3 groups are there. That's why prefix is tri. Methyl. 5 carbon atoms, pentan 1-OL. Name of the compound is 2, 3, 4 trimethyl pentan 1-OL. Example number 29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Branching is present at the second number position, third, fourth and the fifth. Total 4 branching are there. That's why we need to use the prefix tetra for the 2 di, 3 tri, 4 tetra, 5 penta. 2, 3, 4, 5 tetra methyl. For 6 carbon atoms, hexane 1-OL. Name of the compound is 2, 3, 4, 5 tetramethyl hexane 1-OL. Now the example number 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second and the third position have the ethyl groups 2,3 diethyl pentane 1-OL. 2,3 diethyl pentane 1-OL. Next, example number 31, you can easily write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the parent alkane chain. Branching is present at the second position, third position and the fourth position, and all the groups are ethyl groups. Name will be 2, 3, 4 triethyl hexane, because 6 carbon atoms are present in the parent alkane chain. Hexane 1-OL. Name of the compound is 2, 3, 4 triethyl hexane 1-OL. Now example number 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Branching is present at the second number position, third, fourth, fifth and the sixth. Name becomes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many branchings are there? 5. And for 5 alkyl groups, branched groups, we need to use the prefix penta. Penta. Ethyl, all are ethyl groups. 6 carbon atoms, parent alkane chain, that is octane 1-OL. Name becomes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pentaethyl octane 1-OL. Is the name of the example number 32. Example number 33. 1, 2, 3. Now in the example, if you go straight, there is only one CH3 group. If you go down, there are 2 carbon atoms, means you need to go down. 5 carbon atom, parent chain is there. To the second and the third position, branching are present of the methyl group, CH3 and the CH3. Name will be 2, 3 dimethyl. 2 methyl groups are there. Dimethyl pentane 1-OL. Name of the compound is 2, 3 dimethyl pentane 1-OL. So these are the some easy examples of the IUPAC name system of the alcohols. Some more examples we need to take. You must do the practice again and again. Write all the examples on the board. Now example number 34. Same way, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you go down, you get the 6 carbon parent alkane chain. Branching is present at the third and the fourth position. Name becomes 3, 4 dimethyl hexane 1-OL. 3, 4 dimethyl hexane 1-OL. The name of the compound number 34. Example number 35. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 branchings are there. At the third position, methyl group is there, and second position, ethyl is there. Name becomes 2 ethyl. Both the alkyl groups are different. In that case, we need to write alkyl groups in the alphabetical order. First comes first, means here ethyl groups first character, name of the first character is E. For the methyl, first character is M. E comes first in the alphabetical order. That's why first you need to write the ethyl group. 2 ethyl, 3 methyl butane 1-OL. Name of the compound is 2-ethyl 3-methyl butane 1-OL. Example number 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the second and the third position, branching groups are there. On the third position there is ethyl, on the second there is methyl. Which group we need to write first? In the alphabetical order, first we need to write ethyl group. 3-ethyl 2-methyl pentane 1-OL. Name of the compound is 3-ethyl 2-methyl pentane 1-OL. The name of the 36 number example. Now 37. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6. 3 branchings are there, out of which 2 are methyl group, 1 is the ethyl group. Which group should be written first? Ethyl, alphabetical order. 4-ethyl 4-ethyl, I shall write the name of the compound here. 4-ethyl 2,3 dimethyl for the 6 carbon atom hexane 1-OL. Name of the compound is 4-ethyl 2,3 dimethyl hexane 1-OL. Now example number 38. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the parent alkane chain branching at the second, third and the fourth position. Name can be written like this. Firstly, we need to write ethyl groups. 3,4 dimethyl 2-methyl 3,4 diethyl 2-methyl for 6 carbon atoms hexane 1-OL. Name of the compound is 3,4 diethyl 2-methyl hexane 1-OL. Understood? Now example number 39. In this example, tertiary carbon is attached to the hydroxy group. That means by the common name system it is the example of tertiary. Now first you have to select the parent alkane chain. 1, 2, 3. This is the parent alkane chain. You can select like this. 1, 2, 3. Also you can select like this. 1, 2, 3. We have selected this one. All these 3 types will have the 3 carbon chains. 3 carbon chain in the parent alkane. This becomes the branching. At the second number branching is there. That's why 2-methyl 3 carbon atoms propane, and the second number position contains hydroxy group 2-OL. See the example. 2-methyl propane 2-OL. The name of the compound number 39. Similar example, 40 number example is similar to the 39. Now which will be the longest carbon chain? 1, 2, 3. This is the 3 carbon. There are 3 carbon atoms containing hydroxy group. 1, 2, 3, 4. This chain contains 4 carbon atoms. Also 1, 2, 3, 4. This also contains 4 carbon atoms. We can select this one as a parent alkane chain which have the 4 carbon atoms, and the second number position contains the alkyl group, methyl group. Name will be 2-methyl butane, 2-methyl butane, and the second position have the hydroxy group 2-OL. Name is 2-methyl butane 2-OL. Now see the example number 41. It is also similar to the example 40. Name will be, which will be with the parent alkane chain 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 or 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5 carbon atoms in this chain. That means it must be the parent alkane chain. And the third position, these are the 2 carbon atoms. This is the third position. Third position contains the branching group, that is the alkyl group, methyl group. The name will be 3-methyl pentan 3-OL. Name of the compound is 3-methyl pentan 3-OL. Example number 41. Example number 42. Here C2H5 thrice C means what? 3 C2H5 groups are attached to the same carbon atom. Name, select the parent alkane chain. You can select this one 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 or 1 2 3 4 5. All are having the 5 carbon atoms. And the third position having the hydroxy group 3-ethyl pentan 3-OL. Name of the compound is 3-ethyl pentan 3-OL. All these are the very easy examples. Write all these examples on your notebook. Next example is somewhat different from the previous one. Here you can see that carbon having the 2 alkyl groups at the same position 1 2 3, and the second position having the 2 groups alkyl groups on the same carbon atom. That's why we need to write 2, 2 because 2 groups are there at the second position. 2, 2 dimethyl propan 1-OL. Name of the compound is 2, 2 dimethyl propan 1-OL. Now example number 44. 1 2 3 4. At the downside and upside only 1 carbon atom is there, alkyl group is there. But in the straight chain we can have the 4 carbon atoms. This is the parent alkane chain. Branching is present at the third position. Both are methyl groups. Both branching are methyl groups at the same position. That's why the name is 3, 3 dimethyl butan 1-OL. Name of the compound is 3, 3 dimethyl butan 1-OL. Next, last example is 45 number example. 1 2 3. Downside there are 2 carbon atoms. You need to select these 2 as a parent alkane chain. Parent alkane chain becomes of the 5 carbon atoms, and this will be the 2 branchings at the third position. This is such kind of this thing may be asked in the examination. You must be ready for that. At the third position 2 methyl groups are there. 3, 3 as like this. Dimethyl for 5 carbon atoms pentan 1-OL. Name of the compound will be 3, 3 dimethyl pentan 1-OL. Last example 1 2 3 4 5. This is the parent alkane chain having the 5 carbon atoms. You can go up also. There is also presence of the 2 carbon atoms. This will be the branching, and this also becomes a branching. Both branching are present at the third position. One branching is of the methyl group, and other is for the ethyl. Which group should be written first? Ethyl, as the rule of alphabetical order. 3-ethyl, 3-methyl pentan for 5 carbon atoms. Pentan 1-OL. 3-ethyl, 3-methyl, pentan, 1-OL. So today we shall stop here. In the next lecture, we shall take some more examples of the IUPAC name system. Till then, do your study regularly, do your work promptly. Thank you very much.